Have you ever been manifesting something really important to you and it's almost there? It's just about to happen. You're excited and then it slips away. Okay. So, what do you do when you're manifesting something and you're so close and then it slips away? Here are 5 tips that will absolutely help you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. Today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, we have a video almost every day that's designed to empower your life. So be sure and subscribe and always click that bell icon. High flyers, you're so close to manifesting your specific person. You're so close to getting that role in the play or in the movie. You're so close to getting a new job. You aced, you literally aced the interview. So why aren't they calling you back? Why is your SP ghosting you? Why aren't you getting that new role? Where's the money? You thought you had money coming in. You were this close and it didn't show up. It happens all the time. I'm going to give you 5 tips that, if you'll follow them, will help you take your manifestation from an idea to your hands, to your life. Don't you just hate it when everything, all the signs, everything is pointing to success? And you go, look at the signs are pointing to success. Everything I've been through indicates success. Everything seems to be coming about. What the hell is going on? Why is it slipping away? So, high flyers, I believe that success is within your grasp. That means the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on and deserve. Everything is ready to manifest in your life right now. So here are 5 tips that will help you keep whatever it is you're manifesting. It'll help you keep it from slipping away. It'll bring it, as I said earlier, from thought into 3D reality, into your physical reality. Well, number 1 is you need to see it. You need to feel it. And you need to believe it until it's fully and completely manifested. What happens is people start out, they see it in their mind, they feel it, they do affirmations, and then it starts to manifest and they stop short. And when you stop short, the manifestation stops short. High flyers, be absolutely certain that whatever you desire is in your hands, that you have it, that it's already completely manifested before you stop seeing it, feeling it, and believing it. Number 2 is to practice present tense gratitude all the time, every day. So while you're manifesting, you may be doing some present tense gratitude. I'm so grateful for my specific person. I'm so grateful for my committed relationship. I'm so grateful for the money that's flowing into my life. I'm so grateful for my success in my acting career. I'm so grateful for the success of my new book. And it goes on and on and on. So you may be doing that, but then you stop doing it when it happens and it hasn't fully cemented. It hasn't fully become solid. Always, listen to me now, always practice gratitude just as a lifestyle for the rest of your life. Okay? Look, Rachel's been into my life now, how long? About 10 years? I'm still grateful. I still, every day, am grateful for Rachel, for my children, for my career. I'm grateful for you. Some of you have been watching me for years, but I'm still grateful for you. I don't give up just because you're already here or because I already have what I want. I continue to practice present tense gratitude. Well, number 3 is don't tell your family and friends and other people that this is happening. Hey, I went out on a job interview and it looks like they're going to hire me. They're calling me on Friday. I did that once. I still want that job. It was 25 years ago. But I went on a job interview. He says, we're going to call you Friday or have you come in Friday and we're going to make you an offer. Friday morning at 6 a.m., they called me and said, no need to come in. We're withdrawing the offer. Why? Because I was telling my family, because I was calling all my friends, because I was blowing it up. That's what they call blowing up the manifestation. When you tell other people, high flyers, then their thoughts, their feelings, their beliefs become part of your manifesting process. My mentor told me years ago, and that's why I use the word see it, feel it, believe it. But he also said, and keep silent. It's nobody else's business. Let your success do the talking for you. You don't need to tell anybody in advance. Keep it quiet. Keep the energy to yourself. And when it manifests, everybody will know automatically. Well, number 4 is make certain that you, in the beginning, have written down your intention, that you actually physically got a pen and wrote it down. Once you have written it down, let it go and let it flow. Just let it come to you. Detach. Stop worrying about it. Stop wondering if it's going to happen. See, when you detach from the outcome, guess what? That puts you in a state of knowingness. I know that I know that I know. I'm not wanting. I'm not needing. I'm not hoping. I'm not trying. I know that I know that I know. Well, number 5 is simply become whatever it is that you desire to attract. If it's love, become a symbol of love. If it's money, think in terms of how well you resonate with money, how much you love the vibration of money. If it's success, see yourself successful, act successful, be successful in your mind. You attract what you are, not what you want. So act as if you've already received it. It's called the law of assumption. You simply believe that whatever it is that you are manifesting is already yours. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.